Hello! If you have come here looking for someone who constantly fucks up their hair, you've come to the right place. Another day, another emotional breakdown, another hair change. That's how it goes. My last train wreck was this red, and now, what rhymes with red? Dread, that's what we're gonna do. But, I only want to make partial dreadlocks, so I don't want to do my whole head, cause no. That's just not my style, it ain't gonna look good. We're just gonna do partial. So I think what I'm actually gonna do is put up half of my hair. Now, this isn't even something that like I've thought about, like, oh my gosh, I've thought about doing this for a while. It's probably been like a week and I'm gonna do it. Just cause. Wow, my hair looks really nice on camera though. Not gonna look so nice any longer. I'm gonna fuck this up so bad. Okay, this is what we're gonna start with. We got a little section and apparently we just tease it a lot. Yeah, I see all these people. I was watching tutorials on how to do it because apparently there's a lot of different methods which I did not know. So I was looking it up and they're all just like, you do this, and I'm like, geez, nobody knows that that's called teasing. You tease your hair, this is what it is, you brush it back. I want them to look more natural, so I'm not gonna do it too much. Just a little puff puff, a little puff puff pass. And apparently you just twist and break. I don't even know if I'm doing this right. This is just like one way to do it, I guess. I feel like I'm doing this so wrong. I feel like it started good. It's not getting any longer. Twist and rip, child. We're gonna twist and rip, child. We're gonna twist and rip and twist and rip and twist. And I feel like I'm literally, like, I know you're tangling your hair, but I feel like this literally just looks like I made a knot in my hair. Like I bunny looped tie a knot. I also do have pretty clean hair right now. I don't know if that makes a big difference. I'm not doing this right. Oh, holy fuck. I don't know how to do this. Whatever, I'm just gonna keep going. So you're gonna twist, and then you're gonna rip. It's not working. It's just knotting up and not in the way I want. I don't see no twisting and ripping working here. Okay, I think I'm getting somewhere. I mean, it's working though, right? It's working? Oh my god. Tell you what, my biggest reason for wanting dreads, I think they look cool, but I think they look really cool when you put, when you decorate them, which I would love to do. You know, I think the dread looks pretty cool with the red. Like, not necessarily just red, but like a color that's other than blonde or brown or black, whatever your natural hair color is. Did I just make a dread? It looks braided almost the way I did it. Look at this. I'm pretty proud of that. Ooh, who is she? Cause I don't know. Really, I don't know who this woman is that you're looking at right now. She's a bit crazy. Apparently, taking care of dreads is a lot of maintenance though, which I did not know. But I don't plan on like growing them out so much. Like, I know people, like, once their hair grows out, they'll dread up and make sure to tighten their dreads at the roots, but that's not what I'm doing. I just kind of want it to look like my dreads have grown out already, and I'm just gonna let them grow out. I'm not gonna touch them. I feel like a beauty guru. Cue the music. Alright, I guess, should we try another kind of do one more underneath this time. Oh, we got T's first. We got T's. So, 2, twist, not. Whoa. Mine just keep looking braided, which is fine. And that's fine by me. If you never leave, we can live like this forever. It's fine by me. Let's give it a go on this side. I think we should. Alright, so apparently, I'm not necessarily doing it wrong. That is such an old school clip. I don't know how long I've had that hair clip. We ain't gonna talk about it. Okay. Apparently I was doing it right. To a point. We're back, people, we're back. Okay, so apparently you just twist the hair itself, not like I was doing, like lapping it over. That's what I was doing wrong. So we're gonna go this way. So you just twist it and then rip up. And then straighten it back out and twist and rip. Twist, rip. I feel like I'm probably still doing some shit wrong. I mean, it's definitely clumping up there, so we're doing something right, I think. Apparently, I keep saying apparently you want. Oh, apparently it's better to rip from the very ends of it. Okay, I'm gonna end up ripping hair out. Look at that compared to these, like, apparently now I'm doing it the right way. I'm never gonna stop saying apparently. This is hard. I mean, I guess that's more what it's supposed to look like, but I'm kind of digging my shitty braided dreads over here. Okay, well that's definitely more dread-like than these. Oh my god. That is what I'm talking about, okay? This is not what I'm talking about. That's funny. That's funny. That's funny. I just felt like I was pretty much doing it the same way, you know? Oh my god. I can't wait for my boyfriend to see this. Holy crap. He's gonna flip. Not in a bad way. He'll probably love it. It like makes me want to redo the other ones because they look so fucking shitty. That's a dread. That ain't no dread. I really want to redo these now. Like, is it possible? Undo a dread? I mean, I kind of undid a little bit. See, I think that's how I know I did it wrong, because I can undo it. You ain't supposed to undo a dread like this. I'm gonna be here a while. Can we just talk about... Whoa. Whoa. I'm getting off track. Okay, I'm not gonna redo the whole thing. I really fucked them up. Alright, we're gonna have to take a little intermission. Please enjoy the commercial break. Okay, so I am back with a few more dreads. I took out the shitty ones that I fucked up on over here and redid them, and I added another one. This is gonna take a lot longer than I expected. With that being said, I'm gonna end my video here. And in my next video, you're gonna see my hair fully done. I'm not gonna have dreads all over by any means. I might keep the top layer not dreaded and just do the bottom layer. I'm not sure. I might do a little throughout the top layer, but we'll see. But that was my first attempt at dreads, and I don't think it was terrible. Obviously, this is my first time doing them. I just said that. By that, I mean it's gonna take a couple days for these to look better. Like I'm gonna have to constantly be fucking working on them or whatever I gotta do. You know what I mean? Yep, like I said, this is where I'm gonna stop. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. What do you think? Did I do a good job for my first time or did I suck? Anyway, yep, that's it. I got 6 right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. So I guess I will see you guys in the next video, whenever that is. Bye.
But I'm dodging the course. I just signed another deal, daddy hating of course. He don't wanna see me win, steady lying in court. Fake ass artists don't like me throwing rocks at my fort. Big ass crib off in the hills, you couldn't hit if you tried. Just made history and I ain't slip, I'm still